Hello everyone, and welcome back to CarZone Updater, your go-to channel for all the latest car news and updates. If you're passionate about cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss a thing. Today we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated vehicles for 2025, the Toyota Land Cruiser. This iconic SUV is returning with major updates that promise to keep it at the top of its game in the rugged off-road world. So let's take a closer look at what the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser has in store. For over 60 years, the Toyota Land Cruiser has built a reputation for being one of the most durable and capable off-road vehicles on the market. Now, in 2025, Toyota is bringing the Land Cruiser back with a fresh look, upgraded technology, and improved performance that promises to appeal to both adventure enthusiasts and luxury sub-buyers alike. First, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 Land Cruiser maintains the rugged, tough guy persona that we all know and love, but with a more refined and modern twist. Up front, the grille is bigger and bolder, giving the SUV a more commanding presence on the road. The LED headlights have a sharper, more angular shape, contributing to the vehicle's aggressive and confident stance. The body is still as robust as ever, with a muscular build that emphasizes its off-road capability. However, Toyota has also used more lightweight materials in certain parts of the frame, helping to improve efficiency without sacrificing strength. Whether you're on city streets or the roughest trails, the Land Cruiser's design ensures it stands out wherever it goes. Interior and features. Moving on to the interior, Toyota has really stepped up its game with the 2025 Land Cruiser. Inside, the cabin is a blend of rugged durability and modern luxury. Expect premium materials like leather upholstery, brushed metal accents, and a spacious layout designed to maximize comfort for both driver and passengers. One of the biggest upgrades is the tech and infotainment system. The 2025 model comes with a large touchscreen that integrates with Toyota's latest software, offering a seamless experience with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a fully revamped navigation system. Plus, the sound system has been upgraded to provide a high-quality audio experience perfect for those long road trips or off-road adventures. Toyota has also made sure to include plenty of cargo space, so whether you're loading up gear for a weekend getaway or hauling tools for an off-road adventure, the Land Cruiser has you covered. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser comes with a variety of powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The standard engine is a powerful 3.5-liter V6, which delivers ample horsepower and torque for tackling tough terrains. For those who need even more power, there's also a hybrid powertrain option that combines efficiency with strength, making it a great choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint while still having the muscle for off-road adventures. With the updated suspension and advanced four-wheel system, the 2025 Land Cruiser offers improved ride quality and handling, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating rocky trails. Toyota has also introduced new off-road tech, including multiple terrain modes, crawl control, and a rear locking differential, which makes sure you're always ready for whatever the wilderness throws at you. Safety is always a top priority, and the 2025 Land Cruiser is no exception. The SUV comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense 2.0 suite of advanced driver assistance features. This includes pre-collision warning with automatic braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. These technologies work together to give you peace of mind both on and off the road, ensuring that you stay safe in all driving conditions. So when can you get your hands on the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser? While specific pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, experts expect it to start around the $85,000 mark, depending on the trim and configuration. The 2025 Land Cruiser is expected to be available in select markets by the middle of next year, so be on the lookout for more official details as Toyota gets closer to the launch date. To sum up, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse, blending legendary off-road capabilities with modern luxury and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to conquer the toughest trails or a comfortable family SUV that's ready for anything, the Land Cruiser is ready to impress. That's all for today's video. If you're excited about the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to CarZone Updater for more updates on this amazing SUV and other upcoming cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to CarZone Updater and check out our other videos for the latest in automotive news.